Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. We are in Marmaris and we're taking a walk along the high street to show you all the best places to go when you come on holiday. So let's see Wagwan, you'll know the vibe. So yeah, across the road there, you've got Harrods.
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 No, read it.
Oh sorry, Harrods. Got your eyes see what they want to see, don't they? And then you've got Tui behind us.
Tui Blue.
Tui Blue.
Grand Azur.
Nice little restaurant over there. I say nice, we've not been in there, but it looks nice.
Very busy road, very noisy road. So you're staying on this side.
Yeah.
You want to be on the water side.
Yeah. So that way is the beach, basically. So you've got a big shopping mall coming up here, Marmaris Gold Centre, and you've got the Forum outlet. So yeah, if you like your shopping, that's a good place to start. Very good place to start.
Ideal premium hotel.
Yeah, nice. All your big resorts here. Oh, that's all changed. Was that like that before?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, thank you. Oh no, fine, thank you. Ooh, yeah, really noisy. So you got the Prestige Garden Hotel. Again, tattoos. Always got your tattoos. There you got your big gold centre there. You want some jewellery, get some Turkish gold. And
Big
then
McDonald's sign?
yeah, very big McDonald's sign. So if anyone's wondering, is there McDonald's? There is McDonald's. There's also Burger King as well. And there's a Domino's. Yeah, a really big Forum outlet there. I don't think we've actually been inside that one, have we? Yeah, it's got everything, women's, men's, Turkish delight, teas, spices, gifts, cosmetics and sun oils. So yeah, you've got everything you need in there, kids' clothing, suitcases to bring it back, which is what you'll need. It's okay. And then you've got all your shops here as well. It's like that's just underneath that massive hotel. So you got on the left of us Migros, which is a big sort of supermarket they do, like a chain here. And it's like they've got a McDonald's on it as well. You do want to see, I think we've got a video of us going inside Migros the last time, haven't we? But yeah, it's basically just their sort of version of a little Tesco or, you know, Lidl, Aldi, whatever.
$59 here.
Yeah.
59, we got 60 yesterday.
Yeah.
To the lira.
To the lira, yeah. Again, it can all fluctuate from a week's time. It could be completely different. So always check before you come out when you're here. Can't guarantee it'll be the same.
No.
No. Yeah, nice big hotel. All big hotels along here. See a little bit in the distance, the other water park at the top. Yeah, there's 3 water parks here, isn't there?
Yeah.
So yeah, let me know if you've done all 3 of them.
What's it doing there?
Yeah, it's reversing, let's wait. So this is the green nature diamond, that big one there. Anyway, please police station. Gazelle Port coming up. That's quite nice. Mr. Travel, main booking office up there. Again, loads of travel, tattoo. So coming up to like another little big bit, aren't we? Another little area. So it's really sort of, depending on where your hotel is, where you're situated, there's always going to be shops, there's always going to be clothing. You're going to have everything. You don't have to sort of walk for miles, do you, to kind of find something on your doorstep. Which is nice. So taxi rank across the road again. Ooh, sweating. It's very humid today. Again, really nice weather. If you come here in May, it's hit and miss on the weather. It's obviously still going to be hot, but you're either going to get glorious or something in between. And then from June onwards, it's just, yeah.
Better than the UK.
Oh yeah, obviously. Yeah, we're in shorts and t-shirts, so, and I'm sweating. Blue Bay Platinum, nice hotel. There we go, FA's draft beer there, 110, large 180. I think 180 is probably the cheapest we've seen around here. It's usually like 200 lira. So 180 is a very good price. If you find somewhere for that, park your ass down and get yourself a beer.
Have you seen it as low as 120?
Yeah, well, hopefully we'll see that when we go into the new area. We'll do a little comparison. So yeah, 180 again in this one. So yeah, some good prices. What's this one? Yeah, Lalia? Probably not pronouncing it correctly, but again, nice big hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. It really does help with what we're doing. It shows us what you're interested in and really helps push the content. So yeah, massively grateful if you could do that. If you're enjoying it, we've got so much content on the channel for you guys to check out and enjoy. So what's this, the Ledbury? Hello. The little magnets, all your little souvenir shops. Got the Friends bar over there. Eat, drink, hang out. It's got that Central Park or Centre Park. So yeah, sort of play on Friends. Hotel Oasis. Triple Watch Centre. All your little shops. Hello.
Yeah, you?
Good, thank you. No, we're okay.
Not now.
We have got that if you guys do want to have a look. We've got loads of videos with us going into the actual bazaars and into the shops and stuff. We also got one in Ishmael, Mr. Cheap. We'll be going back there, so if you are interested and you come to Turkey specifically for shopping, we'll give you all the new updates. Got Selfridges there. Don't think it's the real Selfridges, but it's what it says. Mall of Marmaris. And then you got the Manchester City bar. So we sort of come back to where we're staying. So I'm going to end the video there. Hopefully that's given you a little bit of information. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.